Alrighty then, Kirk, you're up next with 6 lucky envelopes from Pokemon round 4. We had 120 on the wheel, Kirk. We have 33 left. 6 are coming home with you. Let's see which 6 you're getting. You know the drill. 117. 22. Again, if you're a Taylor Swift fan, that number has some meaning. I don't know what's in there, but I have to make the Taylor Swift jokes in case my daughter is listening because she's a huge Swiftie. Number 87. We have 103. And for everybody watching, please remember there is a link in the chat that does tell you where to go to buy envelopes if you'd like to have yours ripped live on chat. We have 31. All right, Kurt, we got one more for you. Let's see what we got. Number 90. All right, let's see if I can find all these easy enough. We have 117. We have 22. We have almost missed 87. We got 103, 31, and number 90. All right. All right, Kirk. Let's see what we got for you. You ready? Well, I know you're ready, but am I ready is the question. All right. Let's see. We're going to start off with number 117. You have a preference? I think you like Pikachu. So we'll put both Pikas up front for you. All right. Let's go. Let's make this happen. Kirk's giving me a countdown. We have a Black Bolt Tranquil. We have a Punkaboo from Paradox Rift. And from Twilight Masquerade, we have the Girder. That gives us 2 hits from this envelope, which is the Crispin Pokeball from Prismatic Evolutions. And from Destined Rivals, we have Marnie's Grimmsnarl EX. I'm giving this one a Grimmsnarl just because he's one of the cooler looking Pokemon. He may not be the most powerful, but he is the coolest looking, I think. He's weird, but he's cool. Sorry. I just feel that way. All right, Kirk, that is 1 down, 5 to go. Number 22 is up next. And again, I got to keep making the Swifty jokes, but, you know. All right. I see the Emolga. He's poking his head up real quick. So we have the Emolga from Black Bolt. From Paradox Rift, we have the Gible. He will grow up to be a mighty Garchomp. And we have Walking Wake from Twilight Masquerade, Ancient Form. Then we have a Pokeball Trainer. We have the Area Zero Underdepths from Prismatic Evolutions. Oh, and we got the Prismatic Pikachu EX. So I will consider that one awesome. All right, Kirk, we are on envelope number 3, 87. Hopefully you are liking these so far. I may or may not be able to tell you that there's one of these envelopes that you're really going to like, but who knows? I can't really say that, so I won't say nothing. We have from Black Bolt, we have a Thundurus Hollow. We have a Gligar from Paradox Rift. We have a Palafin from Twilight Masquerade. And then we have Professor Rowan's Research from Prismatic Evolutions and a Pokeball. And we have the Amoonguss EX from Journey Together. I'm giving this one to Professor Rowan because I like him better. There's actually no real rhyme or reason. I just like this card more. So I'm putting him in front. All right, halfway done, Kirk. We got number 103 coming up next. We're going to start off with a Palpitoad from Black Bolt. We have an Onyx from Paradox Rift. And we have the Luxio from Twilight Masquerade. This is a little Shinxie when he grows up. We have the Lacy Pokeball trainer from Prismatic Evolutions. And from Journey Together, we have the Reshiram EX. Reshiram takes front billing over pretty much anybody. So Reshi goes in the front. We are up to envelope 90. We are going to go with Arvin's Skrovet. We have a Roaring Moon Hollow. And we have the Journey Together Grimmsnarl. Oh, that Hollow is from Prismatic Evolutions. Sorry. All right. We have our two hits. We have the Pheasantipity Pokeball from Prismatic Evolutions. And we have Hop Zacian EX from Journey Together. This is one of my favorite EXs from Journey Together. So that's kind of cool that you get that one. All right, Kirk, we got one envelope left. Are you ready? All right, Kirk, we got number 31. We saved the best for last. I see a slab. I see a PSA slab. I think maybe we make you wait until it gets shipped to your house and find out what it is later. Oh, why did I just do that? No, I'm just messing with you. We have a Snover from Destined Rivals. We have the Alcremie from Stellar Crown. We have my Pepper Twins, the Scrovillian Hollow from Obsidian Flames. And from Paldea Evolved, we have a Super Rod. I don't see a slab. There's no slab in my hand. Nope. No slab for you, Kirk. Not a slab. Not happening. I should look before I tell you, right? No? All right. We can both find out at the same time. We have the Skrovet IR in a Near Mint 8. So it's Scarlet and Violet base. It's an IR. He's cute. He's hanging out in a bed. I think you'd be pretty happy with that. I looked at it, I saw a slab, I saw the PSA, I got all excited. So we got a slab. I'll leave the slab in front. We'll get these bagged up for you, Kirk. Funny thing is, I know there's at least 2 or 3 more slabs still in these envelopes somewhere. I didn't know which one you were getting, but when I picked the bag up, I could obviously feel the slab. That's why we put that at the end. But I don't know. After today, there's only going to be like 20 envelopes left for 4. And I think the top chase is still in there. I have to look at which ones we've already opened, but at least one of like the top 2 or 3 chases is still in there somewhere. All right, Kirk, I'm going to get these all wrapped up for you. Actually, I'm going to need a bigger envelope for this. I misread your order at first, and I thought there was only 3, so I took the small envelope. But I'm going to put these in the bigger envelope, especially because the slab is in there. So even if I could get 6 in there with the slab, it probably would not fit. So I got you covered, Kirk. I'll get these sent out to you. Like I said, I don't know what's really going to happen Sunday, Monday. I don't know what the weather is going to do. If it's really bad, I'm going to have to wait to get these shipped out. If the weather holds, then I'll get stuff out Monday or Tuesday. But Kirk, I appreciate you. I love when you're in the chat. It gives me someone to talk to. We have 4 more people coming up, so we'll see what happens in those orders. And like I said, I'm going to try and get the Sword and Shield ones ripped tonight. I have to check with Kevin